Hello guys, welcome to the channel once again, Rahul Automation Studio guys. So in this video, I'm going to explain you the one method of a Selenium that is a send keys. So basically send keys is a method in a Selenium by which you can send some text value or some numerical value or some number or alphabetic, any number that you want to pass in a text box. So you can pass and you can send the value in a text box. So let's do it guys. So this is the website automationpractice.com. So this is a dummy website where you all can do the practice of Selenium concepts. So first of all, let's browse the website, open this website. Okay guys, so in this website you can see there are some fields like search is there, right? And in the contact us, or maybe we will do sign out, and I will show you some form that is like sign in form, or that kind of form I will show you to how you can automate that as well. So let's try to automate. So first of all guys, this is a set property for the chrome driver.exe file. Once this property is set, we have to create a object of our driver class. So here we are going to use WebDriver, and we are creating a reference of a WebDriver interface. So here we are creating a object of our Chrome driver class. So we will be running our test case in a Chrome browser. So we are creating a class of a Chrome driver class. So after that, we will be doing the maximization of our browser window, right guys? So driver dot manage dot window dot, we have to use a method as a maximize. So this will maximize the browser window to the full page. Okay, right guys. After that, we will be opening our URL. So driver dot. So to open a URL in Selenium, there is a method that is get method. You have to use a get method here, and you have to add and you have to pass the URL of your website, of your project, right? So you have to pass the URL. So this will open it. So here once I will show you example of this particular search text box. So how you can send that particular text message in that, and after that you can search that particular matching items or matching products. So here in this guys, you can see it is having property ID, name, placeholder, text also like that. So we will be using a property of ID. So how do you have to write? You have to write driver dot find element by dot id. So we are going to use id. So by dot id, and just paste that id. So in that we have to pass as a send keys. So send keys is a method by which you can send some text, right, in that particular text box. So I will be trying to send some text. Let's see what we can send. So as it's a clothes related website, so like woman dress, t-shirt, so we will passing it as a dress. So dress we will pass as a text, right guys? After passing the text, what we have to do, we have to click on this search icon. So let's try to locate this web element, and this is having submit, name is having submit search. So we will be locating this web element with the property of a name, right guys? So driver dot find element by dot name, by dot name, and we will be passing the name property. So in this web element we have to do the click. So press dot click. Okay, right guys? So send keys is the method that basically I'm trying to explain you. So let's try to run it. So basically it is downloading some jars and it is building the project. So first time you're doing it will take some time for you guys. So just don't worry. So Chrome browser was started successfully. So it should open a Chrome browser for you. Yeah, it's in the maximized to the full extent of the page. It is loading the website. So we have used a get method. So get method will wait until the full content on the web page gets fully loaded. So guys, you can see it has passed the dress as a text in search box, and after that it has clicked on the search icon, and the similar result related to the search it has been displayed to you. So these are the like products which are matching with your search, right guys? So one more thing that I want to show you in that. So like just go to the home page of the website, and guys in that if you pass some text dress, and after that if you press enter from the keyboard, then also it will work as is same as you clicked on the search icon, right guys? So now I will be showing how you can send a keyboard action in a text box. Okay, right guys, just close to it. We will be closing this tab, this also, and now you can see what we have to do here guys to pass a keyboard action. So just comment out this line. So we are passing a address text in our search icon, right? I mean search text box. So in the similar way, we have to pass a keyboard action in that. So which keyboard action we have to pass here? We have to pass the enter as a keyword action. So how you can do it, guys? So method is same, that is a send keys for that, but syntax will change or the value will change that you are passing in that. So for that you have to use keys. So keys is there in the Selenium that you have to use as a keys in the Selenium jar file. It is there in the library. Just press keys dot enter. As we want to press enter, so we have to send as a enter here. So they are similar. Every keyboard action has been displayed, has been there, so that you can use if you want as per the requirement. So you can press and you can press F5, Alt and arrow, left arrow, right arrow, backspace, cancel, clear. So guys, you can see every action, keyboard action is there that you want to use, you can use like this. And remember the guys that keys dot keyboard action that you want to perform, so you can do it with the help of a send keys. So these are some functions that you want to. So every keyboard action is particular there. So as per the need, you can definitely use in your test cases and in your script. So we are using keys to enter as we need as a enter action from the keyboard. So let's try to run this one. So we don't have any open browser. So I have closed all the browsers so that we don't get confused in multiple browsers. So yeah, it's successfully launched. It is opening the website, and yeah, so let's see it as, and yeah, so it has clicked and it has pressed enter in that particular search text box. So that's why next page and similar result has been displayed, and our test case has been executed successfully. So like that guys, so I want to show you some few more example in that. So for that I will be showing you for like contact us is there, right? So in the contact us guys, you can see uh, not the contact us, we will be doing up the sign up page. Like email address is there. So how you can send the values in that, right guys? So for that, first of all, we have to find the inspect the element for the sign in. Just locate this web element, and this is an anchor tag having this title, or you can do it also. So just do it with the title. So it is an anchor tag, and title is having this, right guys? So just do it. So now we are not going to use this. We have to do some click action. Just do some copy. And here guys, we are using some XPath. So we have to use by.xpath, right guys? And we will be deleting it. And what is the XPath that we have to use? This one, just do the copy and paste. So this is very simple. Just locate the web element and which action you want to perform that web element, just perform the action on that. This is the syntax to find and to locate the web element, and this is the action which we want to perform on that particular web element. After this, what we have to do, we want to send the email address in particular text box, right? So just locate it and yeah, just locate this, and it is having ID is there, right? So we can use a IG and we will be sending some text. Driver dot find element buyer dot ig, right guys? And with we want to do, we have to send some send keys, and in the send keys you can just enter some random email address, or I mean whatever email you want to use to create or you for the sign up, that you can use, right guys? So now let's close this browser and then we will be running it. So it has launched the browser and it is loading the website. It has to click on this sign in. Yeah, it has clicked on sign in, and you can see guys the email address that we have given, it has successfully entered in email address, right guys? So in the similar way, guys, you can always use for like any text box. You want to pass any text value or any number or any numerical alphabet combination, special character. So anything that you want to pass in that particular text field, you can just look. You have to just locate the web element, and after that you have to just send keys is the method you have to use, and you have to send the values in that. So it will enter in that, right, guys? So this is the method, and that I wanted to explain you with a different approach. So in the send keys, you can send the text. Also, you can use a keyboard action with the help of a send keys method, guys. Okay, guys. So that's it. Thank you, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and share with your colleagues and friends. And please subscribe to channel. Thank you. Thanks to everyone.